Welcome, traders. Today's lecture will be on top-down analysis. This is a crucial part of your trading strategy, or this trading strategy that you are here to learn today. So the first thing you want to do is set up a naked chart. Naked chart is where you just have candlesticks only. You don't have any indicators on your chart. You don't have any support or resistance levels. You just have candlesticks. And the first chart that you want to go to is your monthly chart. And you want to look all the way to the right and see what's happening on the monthly price action. So as you can see here, these two monthly candles have great bullish momentum to the upside. So if you wanted to put support and resistance on, you could see that price came down to previous support. If you look over to the left, price came to the previous support, and just like before, price is rallying to the upside. So if you see here, you saw this good candle rejection to the upside, and price pushed down, came back to retest the support level, which it just tested it here as well, and now it's pushing back up. So where's the most likely place for price to go? And if you see, you have wick here to the upside and the wick here to the upside. So if you put resistance here and resistance here on a monthly, you then drop down to your weekly chart, and you see on the weekly we had a double bottom where price came down to the bottom to test this support area 2 times, and where you see strong bullish momentum on the weekly to rally up to this zone area here. And we'll get into support and resistance price action zones on a future lecture. That all ties into this trading strategy. All we use is price action zones, candlestick price action, and market structure to trade the strategy. It's not an overcomplicated strategy. It doesn't load your chart up with indicators. It is simple and straightforward, and it is very profitable. So once you see this bullish momentum on the monthly and the weekly, you drop down to your daily to map out your price action levels, and you look down to the daily or the 4-hour chart to find entries. And all you're trying to see on all these charts is the confluence of bullish momentum to the upside. And you want to see where the market has broke through levels, retested those levels, and continue to push up with bullish momentum. So the next likely move for this price to move into would be this level here daily. And if we can break through this channeling level, turn this resistance here to support, then we'll continue on to fill this wick that was left on the monthly and the weekly charts. So that's all you have to do to look into your top-down analysis. And we can go down to the 4-hour chart to try to find a quicker entry point, which you would have probably found an entry here once the price broke this level, and you entered here, and now you rode all the way to the top, and this is where price is now sitting on your daily chart, weekly and monthly chart. The price is at this level. You see a pull down here, which is represented on the daily chart, which would be the wick to the upside on that candle, and you're looking for this price to reject this previous level. We put support here, go to the left, you can see the level right here that is being tested now on the 4-hour and the daily chart. Once we break through this level and turn resistance to support, we are looking for the trade to continue to the upside and fill that wick that I just showed you here on a daily chart. So this trade has a lot of room to push up to the upside. So right now, the market has broken this resistance structure to the left here. Now the market is pulling down to retest this resistance. If the market turns this resistance to support, bounces here, then continues upward to push past this candle wick that it left here, then you can assume that price will reach your next level of resistance, which would be this 82.14 level into this 82.7173 level. So you have a nice room to the upside for this market to continue going up. You can see the retest here of this price action zone on the daily, and now we got heavy bullish momentum to the upside. So this is just a simple breakdown of what you need to look for when you're doing top-down analysis. You start on a monthly, work your way down to the 4-hour chart. I don't go past the 4-hour chart in this strategy because I swing trade mostly, but you can also use this strategy if you want to be a scalper. And swing trading is, holding your trade for multiple days. Scalping is finding intraday trades, movement in order to find a zone where price will reject from and push down into another zone in an intraday movement. So that means you're going to take a trade that day and exit the trade that same day. So with a swing trade, you're going to hold that trade for multiple days, and that's what I like to do. I like to hold, longer term movements in the markets. You can pick up good profit either way. Once you intraday trade, you can find multiple trades in the day and take profits and realize profits on, multiple trades within this same movement, or you can just find a good entry and you can hold a trade. Like if you got an entry here when price broke this level, which was previous structure, and you'll see that, when we get down to the price level and structure videos in that lecture moving forward, you will see what I mean by, price action zones and structure that's left to the left that you will need to break and retest in order for your chart to continue in the direction that you're looking for the trade to go into. So this is just a simple breakdown of analysis. It's nothing overcomplicated. It's just simple and straightforward knowledge that you need to know in order to move forward with a trading strategy. And this is a key component to this trading strategy that I'm teaching you now. So this perfect entry and exit Forex strategy is based all on these simple rules of, breaking down your top-down analysis, finding uh, price action, setting up your price action zones, and trading what you see to the left, trading price action levels to the left. If you can master those 4 things and you can be patient, then this strategy will work wonders for you. It'll make you a very profitable trader. So just bear with me, learn this strategy, and see how it open up your eyes to seeing the market more clear and turn your trades into massive profits. So thanks for watching this video. Tune in for the next lecture and let's learn and grow together.